Welcome to Kadaka Pharma, where you get all updates of pharmacy. Dear students, this video is again on the BPharm lateral entry counseling. From the past 2 to 3 months, we are regularly updating you. We are regularly making the videos and informing you regarding the BPharm lateral entry counseling. And today, the date is 20th of April. Till now, there is no official circular regarding the counseling of BPharm lateral entry from the RGHS side and also from the KEA. So before going to tell from my side, so first of all I am going to put you some of the information that I have got from the student side. So some of the student has visited the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health and Science, and they have also given a requisition letter to the register to conduct the counseling for the BPharm lateral entry this year. And also some of the students has visited the KEA. One or two of them has called the KEA and they have asked when you are going to conduct the counseling. The KEA person said they will going to conduct the counseling sure for the next week. So this much of information we have got from the student side. Now what information I have gathered, I have collected from the higher authorities or from the higher sources is that, see, it is chance like 50-50 ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಟೂ ಪರ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಆಸ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ, ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ schedule. Your third semester examination has scheduled from the 22nd of May 2024 and it is today, it is 20th of April. Only a 1 month of gap is there. What the RGHS has said, only 1 month gap is there. How it is possible to extend the admission date for the BPharm lateral entry? How it is possible to conduct the classes, sessionals and all those things? So it is very difficult to extend the date for the BPharm lateral entry. And they have also said that we are not going to extend the examination date. Already they have fixed the examination date from the May 22nd. Now the RGHS, what they said, we are not going to extend the examination date. We don't delay the examination. So this is what RGHS said. Now coming to the KEA, what the KEA has said, the KEA person, the KEA official has said they are going to conduct the documentation verification on the 23rd of April. So KEA just doing their part. What they, first of all, they will confirm, they will do the documentation verification, then it is left to the KEA, then it is left to the government or the respective departments. See, here the RGHS has to extend the admission date and the government has to give the seat matrix. Then only the KEA can conduct the counseling. Here only the KEA will doing his duty to do the documentation verification for the students who has written the CET examination in the 2023. So we have got a clarity after the documentation verification. Now what you people should do, you be ready for the documentation verification and you collect or gathered all the documents which are required for the documentation verification. Then only so here it is you and we can't do anything, only we just make them request. Okay, at last the authorities has to do all those things. Okay, so it's what you call illondu ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೋಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಲಿ 23ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ. ಇವತ್ತು 23 ದಿನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಅದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಇದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡಲಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋದನ್ನಾದರೂ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದು RGHSನವರು KEAನವರು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ from our side. So this is all about the videos and hope and wish you best, all the best for the students and you don't waste your entire year. I hope, and we also pray to the God that you may people got admission this year. So this is all about from our side. Thank you and